Those pre-war wonder years have been faithfully recreated by Imagineering designers to help tell the story of a group of guests who boarded a hotel elevator one dark and stormy night and who, well, disappeared when a bolt of lightning struck. This is part of what guests will see in the pre-show.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that.
What guests won't see is all the preparation that went into this vignette as produced for theme park productions by award-winning director Joe Dante.
Ready and action.
On a soundstage in Culver City, the lobby of the Hollywood Tower Hotel had been reproduced right down to the bell on the front desk. The lost guests in question included a celebrity couple, a little girl and her governess, and an obviously overworked bellhop, plus a few extras and a toy poodle, all of whom were repeatedly going through their paces, witnessed by the normal complement of stagehands, techs, makeup people, and others.
Ready and action.
It took Dante numerous takes to get the right effect, all under the watchful eye of Tower of Terror's show producer Lane Akiyama.
The most exciting part was being able to get a sneak preview of what the lobby looked like. What we noticed was being able to see the set full size and to see it in reality with all the paint and the color and today's people walking through it, and then to be able to see this set with all the lighting and the characters walking through it and to see it in black and white brought it to life, and it gave it its own history. It was like it really was there since 1939, and it was great. I believed it looking at it, and I had seen the set, and yet I believed that these guys were there and they were checking in and they got in the elevator. It was really nice.
The pace is also quickened at the Tujunga Facility, where other parts of Tower of Terror are coming together. Again, Lane Akiyama.
What I'm standing in front of now is the forced perspective corridor that's part of scene 7. It's the back part of it. And we're in production on this set, staging, getting ready for shipment to Florida sometime this fall. The other major scene that's being staged now is scene 8, which is the 5th dimension, and that's happening over in this area over here. That's major scene also. That is the point where the ride vehicle leaves the lift towers and moves through the scene and inserts itself into the drop towers.